All right, good afternoon. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. And today we got ourselves a very special video. So we got ourselves some Tesla swag. So without further ado, let's do an unboxing. I'm so glad these items came. All right, so we got the two items, this and this. So let's take a look at what's inside the box. Let's see if we can get this open up here. And I've been waiting for this to arrive. And luckily, Tesla has gotten a lot better with its shipping times. Before, when you ordered a product, you'd have to wait a while to get that product. But these ones came pretty fast. And the cool thing about these products is that they were actually free. I actually used my Tesla reward points. Well, you know when Tesla had that reward system where if a person bought a car and they use your referral, you get some points in which you could use the points to buy items on their website, their shop. So I had about 12,000 points left over, and I initially wanted to use the points to get some, I think an adapter, but it wouldn't allow, for some strange reason, it came to a point that the referral program was ending, and they weren't allowing anything that besides some Tesla gear or some minor accessories, and these are the two accessories that I picked out here. So taking a look at this, so there's a box and a box. Oh, I kind of like this box though. The second box. Ooh, I'm going to be saving that box. So this item here that I ordered is the sipping glass and stand. And you know how Tesla's a little bit extra with their products. They actually tax a lot on their products, like for items that are branded, they're really expensive. Like Tesla, really. But you know what? They make unique products, and these products are. Oh, would you look at that? Check that out. And look at that, it has the Tesla logo right there. Oh, I'm gonna have to put this on my glass stand. This is art right here. So, oh, these are, what? So they go like that? Okay. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. Talk about over-engineered. Oh my God. Look at these glasses. Let me put them this way. I hope they don't fall out. Oh, they can fall out, but look at that. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. What a beauty. Talk about over-engineered sipping glasses. I'm probably never going to use this because I actually quit drinking. It's been over a year, so I'll just have this for art. But would you look at that? That is a beauty. Oh my God. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Talk about over-engineering. And I definitely love that it's Tesla branded. So I'll probably put this on my glass table. All right, so let's move on. Let's put this back in the box here. They're really fingerprinty. Got all my fingerprints on them. So, and I don't know how much this product cost. Not sure what the cost of this product is if you were to buy it, because you can't buy it from their shop. But I tell you, look at that. It is a beauty. And so I'll put this back in the box here. I think I grabbed 2 of these because, you know, so you can have these items. You can put them on a glass table, and I'm sure they look really good. So that's the first item that we have here. Next, we have this item over here. And what's in this mystery box? So it looks like it's open. Oh, anybody like these things? Like to pop these things are pretty cool. Okay. So, I don't know why I buy this, but I bought it. It's the Giga Texas belt buckle. And it's also Tesla branded. You remember when Tesla did the Giga Texas reveal, Elon Musk was wearing his cowboy boots, and his belt buckle was really, really cool. So Tesla designed the belt buckle, and I went and I ordered it. Oh, would you look at that? Okay, so I guess this fits around a belt. I gotta grab a belt. I don't know if I have a spare belt. All my belts have buckles, but would you look at that? Would you look at that? That is amazing. That is amazing. Oh my God. Look at all that design in there. See what it says? Don't mess with Tesla. Oh my God. It really has some weight to it. Wow. That's pretty nice. I'm probably going to wear this one day. Just got to find a belt. I like Tesla's packaging. It's really nice. I like how they put together. You know, anytime you buy a product from Tesla, they're really going to package it up properly. So yeah, these are the 2 new items that I'm probably going to put around somewhere. I got to find a spot to put them. But really high quality products. And if you're interested in buying some Tesla swag, they have a huge shop, Tesla shop. They don't only sell cars, they also sell products too. So if you want to order, head over to Tesla.com, go to their shop, and I think you're really gonna love some of the products that they have. All right, so that pretty much concludes this video. This is gonna be pretty much a short video. I just wanted to show you the items that I got, and take care, have a good one, and I'll see you on the next one.